Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Deen Daily, where we talk about how Islam guides us through our daily lives. Today, we're discussing something that I think we all need a little more of: tawakkul, or trusting in Allah's plan, especially when life gets tough. Let's be real. We all have moments when we feel overwhelmed. Maybe you're worried about money, or you feel stuck in your job, or perhaps you're scrolling through Instagram thinking, why does everyone else seem to have it all figured out? Right? It's easy to get caught up in what we want and think we need to manifest it into existence. But here's the thing: Islam teaches us that while it's okay to work towards our goals, we should always remember that the outcome is in Allah's hands. This is where tawakkul comes in. It's about doing your part and then letting go, trusting that whatever happens is ultimately for your best. Let's take an example. Say you have a big job interview coming up. You've prepared, practiced, and you're ready to impress. But you're also nervous. What if it doesn't go as planned? Tawakkul means that after all that preparation, you say, Ya Allah, I leave the outcome to you. Whatever happens, I trust it's for the best. And then you walk in with confidence, knowing Allah is by your side. I know it's hard. We live in a world where we're told to hustle, grind, and manifest our dreams. But remember, our efforts alone don't guarantee success. Allah's wisdom is far greater, and He knows what's truly good for us even when we don't. Life isn't always easy. We all face struggles, whether it's finding a job, dealing with health issues, or maintaining relationships. In these moments, we often try everything in our power to change our situation. And while it's good to be proactive, we also need to remember that true peace comes from surrendering to Allah's plan. One of the most beautiful verses in the Quran regarding tawakkul is found in Surah Al Imran, verse 159. And when you have decided, then rely upon Allah. Indeed, Allah loves those who rely upon Him. This verse reminds us that after making our best efforts, we should place our trust in Allah's wisdom, knowing that He is the best of planners. To strengthen our tawakkul, we must cultivate a strong connection with Allah through prayer, reflection, and constant remembrance. When we remember that He is Al Wakil, the ultimate trustee, we find comfort in knowing that everything happens for a reason, even if we can't see it right away. So, how can we practice tawakkul in our everyday lives, especially when we are struggling? There are three practical steps. First, start your day with intention. Before you begin your task, make a sincere dua asking Allah to bless your efforts and guide you through any challenges you might face. Second, remind yourself of Allah's control. Whenever you feel anxious or stressed, repeat phrases like Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Allah is sufficient for us and He is the best disposer of affairs. Third, accept the outcome with grace. After you've done your best, leave the results to Allah, trusting that whatever happens is part of His divine plan for you. Brothers and sisters, while the idea of manifesting our dreams is appealing, it's crucial to remember that true success lies in aligning our desires with Allah's will. Tawakkul allows us to work hard, hope for the best, but ultimately find peace in whatever Allah has written for us. I even remember a hadith wherein Prophet Muhammad said, tie your camel and then trust in Allah. So let's start small. Next time you're anxious about something, take a deep breath, make your dua, and remind yourself that you've done your part. The rest is in Allah's hands. Trust Him and let go of the worry. Tawakkul isn't just about big moments, it's something we can practice every day. It's about living with the knowledge that Allah's plan is better than ours. So let's work hard, make our duas, and then trust that whatever happens, it's for our best. Remember, when we plan khichdi in our mind, Allah is planning biryani for us. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Deen Daily. Until next time, stay blessed and Assalamu alaikum.